This RC Real Estate Group property video is presented by Kirsten McAndrew. Highly sought after 2-bed deluxe. Large glass front plan with nothing between you and beach. Thoughtful upgrades including new balcony sliding doors, tile flooring, plantation shutters, raised ceiling. New balcony furniture has been ordered. All the updates you would expect in the full kitchen and bathrooms. Master has beautiful walk-in tile shower. Covered balcony offers gorgeous beach view and breathtaking sunsets. Tasteful coastal decor, fully furnished and rental ready. Exclusive amenities, Lagoon Pool, hot tubs, bar, restaurant, pizza shop, market. Golf course, tennis, pickleball, shuffleboard, fitness center, salon services. Kids club, activities, splash pad. Owner's pets welcome. Gated entrances. RV, boat, trailer, electric car parking. Walkable to dining, shopping, entertainment. For more information, review the details below or contact Kirsten McAndrew at 850-249-6100.